There are 6 pillars of data quality. The first one is data accuracy. Second one is the data completeness. Third one is data timeliness and the currency. Fourth one is the data consistency. Fifth one is data uniqueness. And sixth is the data granularity and the relevance. In this video, we are talking about data uniqueness with the help of mathematical concepts and formulas. Data uniqueness is a measure of how original a data set is and how many duplicates it contains. It is usually measured on percentage scale with 100% uniqueness, meaning there are no duplicates. Uniqueness is important because duplicate entries can skew the analysis by over-representing certain data points and trends. For example, if there are duplicates, the average, mode, and median can be skewed, which can lead to misleading understanding of the data. The main way to improve the uniqueness of a data set is to identify and remove the duplicates. Data cleansing and data deduplication can help remedy a low uniqueness score. Here are some ways to identify duplicates. First one is check for mandatory fields, null values, missing values. Second one is apply formatting checks for consistency. Third one is use business rules with a range of values or default values and validity. Fourth one is check how recent the data is and when it was last updated. Fifth one is validate row, column and conformity and value checks for the integrity. There are various libraries in programming languages, tools and technologies. For example, in Python, the main libraries of data uniqueness checks are the pandas, scipy and numpys. But what is in common? The common is mathematical concepts and formulas, which basically apply in every aspect. Let's learn about mathematical concepts and formulas for uniqueness of data in brief.